just got up from a nap. It's 9:48 p.m. I had my beautiful photo shoot today. It was fun. Can't wait to see the photos. Today I am 26 weeks, 27 weeks. Oh my god, I don't know. One of those. Whatever it is, I'm a banana. That's what I am today. I am an official bunch of bananas. So, I had no nap today. I usually get a nap around anywhere from 12:30 to 2. That's like my time. Uh, my wrist is killing me. Oh my god. That carpal tunnel that they said you get. Some days I have it, some days I don't. I just woke up to it. I don't know if I slept on my hand. It hurts. Just take a RA medication. It seems to help a little bit. Ooh wee. Doing that. Oh, it hurts. Wow. This is my RA hand that usually hurts. This is good. And I never have a problem with this hand. But it hurts right now. Oh. I go to my GYN tomorrow to check my glucose sugar, or my sugar. Finally got the week right to take it, so looking forward to taking that drink again. Since I took it too early the last time, I messed up with the appointment. I had taken it too early, so this time I should be back on track. And I almost drank. I got I forgot to get. Actually, I didn't forget the. I didn't get the pineapple juice. Instead, I saw this cran pineapple. It is so sweet. It has, let's say, 60% sugars. So, um, it's 32 grams, and then additional. It says vitamin C, but then when I got home, I read the back. I should have read it there. I would not have bought this. The first ingredient is water, and then the second ingredient is sugar, and it is super super sweet. As soon as you just open it and drink it, it's like, and I don't really drink like sugary stuff. Like I don't drink soda. I drink juice here and there. Um, I usually get sorry. I usually get like light anything with like um, light drinks with less sugar, or it's like not much sugar in it. And so I've been filling it up with water. Like this, you see how light this is compared to, sorry, compared to this red. Like there's a big difference, see? So this is the original because I didn't put water in it yet. And then this is when I dilute it. So I just put it in a bottle of water, drink a little bit of the water, then I pour the juice in. Not much of it. And I shake it. So it's very light. So I get like a little hint of sugar, nothing too serious that it's like too sweet. Um, so, oh, my arm, my wrist. So that's that. So I can't wait to see how it goes tomorrow at the GYN. Hopefully it goes great. Oh man. And yeah, I can't wait till we take that Christmas tree down. Mike likes to keep it up for a while. And I just want it out because it's taking up too much space. And I just am over with Christmas, I guess. We'll see how long it takes him to take it down. It's probably gonna be next month. Anyway, Yep, next stop, GYN. Hey. Just finished my sugar test. Ugh. Needle D-tap, not taking it. I'm gonna let them know I'm not taking it, so not taking this. Supposed to fill this out and sign it. Not taking it. Wish me luck, guys. I finally washed all the baby's clothes that I purchased and that I've been gifted so far. Wash them in cold water and tumble dry them, low heat. And I'm just folding up everything because our baby dresser comes on Friday, which is in 4 days. And I'll be able to put the clothes in. So I'm so excited. I'm folding all these little itsy bitty clothes. I'm trying to categorize them by months. So yeah, I'm just so excited. Just starting with like the newborn stuff, 0 to 3 months up. I have up until 2 years in some clothes, so just really excited to really be getting started with this. I didn't really do much today, so I figured I would get started on this. So this is what I'm doing, and it's 10 o'clock at night. Good morning. So this pregnancy week has been fun, and I've gained a total of 10 pounds. My doctor said GYN. I didn't take the DTaP test. She went over all that with me and gave me some more positive information about it. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to do yet. I have up until 33 weeks, and I'll decide again once that gets closer if I'm going to change my mind or just keep my decision the same. But yeah, I'm just really looking forward to the last couple of months that I'm gonna have left. It seems like it's going really fast, but it's been really enjoyable. I'm walking the dogs, guys.
It's been really enjoyable, and I have no complaints. And I'm just really trying to keep myself active, busy, clear head, positivity, and just enjoying the baby movements and every little experience that I'm having. That's what's going on, and everything's been great. So I can't complain. I'm enjoying shopping for the baby, getting everything that I would like her to have, and not really focusing on myself. Take a step back and not really think about me so much, which is fine because this pandemic has really allowed everyone to just slow down. So I feel really good about getting her stuff and all the stuff that we've purchased so far. Just can't wait for her to be here and enjoy those little things. So that's it, guys. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Thank you for all the support. Stay tuned for the maternity shoot. The sooner that the shoot is up, I can start doing my blogging and content again for the new year. And any tips or advice for my first time as a mommy, you know what to do. Leave it in the comments. Thanks, guys. Bye.